Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to fix EETV box volume not working, audio settings, remote and TV fix. Method 1. Change the box audio control source. Press the home button on your EE remote and navigate to settings. Now scroll down to connected devices and from there select Bluetooth remote. In it, choose control volume and source and change the settings from your TV brand to set your box and then select done. Method 2. Reset and repair the remote control. Point the remote control directly at your TV, then press and hold the home and 9 buttons simultaneously for about 3 to 5 seconds until the LED light flashes purple 3 times. This resets the remote. Now turn your physical TV remote's volume up to its maximum level and pair the EE remote back to the box by holding down the home and 7 buttons together until the light flashes 3 times. Method 3. Adjust the box audio settings. Go to the settings menu on your EETV box. From there, select audio or picture and sound and toggle the current digital audio output format. If it is currently set to surround, switch it to stereo or vice versa. Then unplug the HDMI cable from both the box and the TV, wait for 10 seconds and then plug it firmly into the different HDMI port on the TV to refresh the handshake. Thank you for watching and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.